The Red Army's advance into Germany is swift and brutal. In mere months, we have reached Silo Heights, the last line of defense before the German capital. We outnumber the Germans 10 to 1. Wave upon wave of our infantry are unleashed upon them to clear the way for our armor. Once we have control of Silo, we will begin the march to Berlin. There, we will ensure that every sacrifice is repaid in blood.
Tot stinken sie noch erbärmlicher. Kommt, lasst uns hier verschwinden, bevor sie nochmal angreifen.
Töten wir sie. Genau wie diese dreckigen Schweine.
Was gefunden?
Nur billigen Plunder, der sie wohl an ihre Heimat erinnern sollte.
Nein! Großes Schwein, du hättest lieber tot bleiben sollen.
Was ist das?
Dmitri! Finish those rats! Once again! You cheat death! Our tanks are ready to smash this line, and... Turn off! I am not hearing gunshots!
There is no point, Sergeant. They are already bleeding to death.
Then maybe our friend will help them bleed faster. Burn the wheat fields! There will be no escape! Shoot!
I need to shoot them in the back.
The back! The front! And head! Whatever you wish! Just so long as they are dead! You see how things have changed, my friend! Now it is their land! Their people! Their blood! Hunt them down like the rats they are! Drive them back! Into the river! Mr. Stalin, I know to trust your instincts to me. Left or right, you lead the way. Drive them into the water! The last thing they see. Them all! Use your Molotov! Let them burn in their boats! Raise hell! Before it cuts us all down!
charge! Up there! On the balcony! And just left! Get back! Stones on attack! Protect our armor! Again! German tanks are closing! Use the rockets! Their armor is no match for you! Hero of Stalingrad! Fire! Keep going until the last one burns! More tanks! Again! Fire the Panzerschreck! Dimitri, turn their weapons against them! Boil them in their steel coffin! Dimitri, I see time has not weakened your aim. You can learn much from this man, Colonel. Break open the door! The cowards may hide in shadows, but we will find them! Shoot! Another tank! Dimitri, take it down! Again! Sergeant Rezov, you seem to relish in the slaughter. I've seen my friends die in front of me at the hands of this vermin. They deserve everything they get, and more. Dimitri, ride on one of the tanks. You have earned the rest. Chernov, you have not. You won. people in great victory. Find some rockets. Blow up those towers. No mercy was shown to my comrades in Stalingrad. No mercy will be shown here. An eye for an eye. This moment on, every step we take brings us closer to Berlin, closer to victory, closer to revenge. Alive!